Well, hello. I'm Jules, and this is a build that I've been working on for quite some time. And here's some of the acrylic tubing bins I made. This single bin right here kicked my ass in a sense that I never bent a PETG tube before, and I had to rewatch a lot of videos on how to do it, and you just got to be patient because it's one thing you can't rush. And PET tubing is not very cheap, or it's not easy to get, in the sense that, you know, some computer stores may not even know what you're talking about or even have it, or, you know, may even have the size that you need if they do have it. But this is basically what I've been working with. Basically needed to be like a 90-degree bin with kind of like a 30 or a 45, or maybe that might even be like a 25-degree, you know, kind of dog leg to it, so I could make it into that monoblock. But as you see from the one up here, I might do the same style dog leg, or I might run two 90s to get to where I need. So we'll see what happens. I have maybe about 3 or 4 sticks of 80 centimeter acrylic tubing left, and as a precaution, if I, you know, make some more boo-boos along the way, I ordered some more from Performance PC, so hopefully that will be here Tuesday or Wednesday in case of emergencies. But let's hope for the best, and hopefully I can, you know, nail this for the first time, you know. But it is what it is, you know. You have to approach this, you know, humble. You know, you can't just, you know, think you're gonna fucking, excuse my language, clutch it in the first try, because you will be very much humbled if you don't do your homework, or, you know, just take your time and plan your steps. Well, that's kind of video 1 of my vlog, I guess.